This is Shauna. Welcome back. Just checked the mail. Got my May Boxy Charm in the month. Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription with full-size products. If you're interested, hit the links below of any of the things I do subscribe to, and let's dig on in. It's an excellent deal. I'm Canadian, so it works out to be around $35 a month with the exchange rate and shipping. So this is Boxy Bash. Boxy Charm is celebrating 5 years. Congrats, happy birthday. So let's dig in. The first item I see is the Cover FX Blurring Primer, 30 mils, full size. That retails for $38 US. Amazing. It says a lightweight, soft, focused primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfection, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. Wicked, that's what we all need. Next I see is, looks like a Boxy Charm collab. It's from Beauty Creations. Never heard of that brand, but looking forward. It's a liquid lip gloss, and it's matte. Color I got is Sweetheart, so there it is there. That retails for $10 US. I'm not going to open it, but it says the long wear matte lip gloss. Color doesn't look bad. It looks like nudie, more rose-ish color. So I'm going to see what the swatches are like online and see if there was any different color variation in it. I'm not sure, because sometimes you do get, there's probably 2 or 3 different colors, and sometimes there's one. Next, we got of course these are all full size, Pretty Vulgar. This is the ink gel eyeliner in black. This retails for $24. This highly pigmented gel liner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. So this is a little bit trickier to apply. I'm not bad at it because I've been doing it for years, but it does take a little bit of practice, and you actually get a brush for it this month. My favorite is probably the Bobbi Brown one in black. That is the best one I've used, say, as a makeup artist. And next to that, I do like the Clinique one, and I love the black honey color one. So next, we got a brush trio. These are for, this is an eyeliner brush and brush to use on your brows, and there is also a spoolie. So let's see. Love getting brushes. These retail for $45, so amazing. One of these products usually pays for the cost of the box. So this would be the one that you would use here. Oh, it looks amazing. Your little cap on it, very finely tipped. You shouldn't screw that up very much, but excellent for doing the line or going out with a cat, or just even doing the water line. Looks like great quality. Love these. And then you got a spoolie there as well. And then this is a brow brush, and or you can use this for liner underneath, and or coming out with the cat eye if you want to do it a little bit thicker. This is a pretty thick one, so probably should stick to the eyebrows with that. But, you know, get creative with your brushes. You know, there is variations for different ones. Next, we have another. This is a full-size brush from the same company. It's called the P12 Base Brush. It retails for $27. Looking at this, oh, nice. So this would be a good brush for sweeping away your loose powder and or brushing on a little bit of highlighter. Very soft, so it would pick up the pigments good. Nice. I love getting brushes. I'll put them in my new mug there now. And last but not least, everybody was getting the Pure. This one retails for $30. This is the Sculptor palette. So it's 4 shade Sculptor palettes that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave the skin sculpted to perfection. And they're buttery formula. Nice. Seeing this online, it looked kind of dark to me, so only time will tell. Oh, not too bad. God, it smells good. It smells like chocolate. So this is a Pure, say, regular product that they do have in their lineup. The Sculptor one, so they're not bad. They're 2 matte highlighters. That one's more a medium. I would call that one a medium deep. And then we have the Trailblazer and the original, originator primer. The primers look really good. I think I will use this. This will be good, especially for someone who's more, like, I'm a medium skin tone, so someone who's like medium deep and you're into, say, the African American skin tones, the darker ones. This will definitely be good. So that will be perfect in my makeup bag. and the highlighters look good too. And if not, you can use the matte highlighters as shadows for your crease and that. So really good. Very pleased again this month, Boxy. Thank you. Links are down below. I just had a spring giveaway end, so no giveaways on the go now, but check me out on Instagram. I always got something up there. I just gave away a free bag of makeup. It was products I used and or tried. A combination of skincare makeup. It was a big Sephora bag there yesterday, so glad someone got use of that. I even had people message me to mail it off because I've done that before with people, so keep an eye out. I'm always, you know, spring cleaning and getting rid of stuff per se, so hit me up on social media at Shauna J, and of course you're watching my YouTube now, and check out my other YouTube videos. I'm doing the, of course I do my unboxings, and I'm back doing the monthly reviews now, say the products I've used, and I'm throwing up a few vlogs. I did, I'm a basketball coach and next player, so I did a coaching clinic with our pro team here in St. John's back in February, so I threw up a little like video highlight of that there probably 2 weeks ago. And I got some other videos to come up with other camps I did with Charles Hinkle from Hinkle Hoops. So stay tuned. If you're just into makeup, just watch those. And if you like the lifestyle stuff, check that out as well. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.